Hi, I'm Amy, and I'm going to show you how to make a map using your GPS points. But before I do so, I'm going to show you some pictures from when I went to Mexico in December of 2009. Take a look. Okay, so now that you got a feel for what I was doing, we're going to get back to the map making aspect. This is a GPS. This is a USB cord. And basically what you're going to do is hook up your USB cord to your GPS and then plug it into your computer, turn on the GPS, and if there's an upload screen, you're going to hit that. If not, it should just work fine. And now I'm going to show you how to get it back into an Excel sheet.
So here we are at EasyGPS. EasyGPS is a free service that you can download. There are other things out there, but this is what I happen to use for the project. So in order to get to your GPS, you just go to this receive icon, and you find your GPS, and you hit OK. Once you choose your GPS, your waypoints will show up. You can view them right here. You can also view them on their screen here. Once you do that,
File and save as a GPX.
this is the LMAP website. You are going to go to map your own data. After you log in and create a new project, you will go to the new map icon. It's a green circle with a white cross, and click it. From here, you'll follow the instructions. Name it something descriptive. Ideally, you want to describe the location first, or name the description first. Then, tell us what the map is about, or just a map title. And hit Next. From here, you can describe your project. I'm going to skip it, however. And this is where the fun begins. Go to Add Layer and upload a new data set. Hit Next. And now you can add shapefiles, or you can add Excel spreadsheets, or you can add geotips even. However, I'm going to add
Excel spreadsheet.
Select the sheet that you want to use and hit Next. If you have multiple data sets, this is where you're going to want to name what it is. So you might want to say points. And as you can see, it has essentially recreated the Excel spreadsheet. It contains all the data that you had entered. The important fields are things that contain country code or language code, and you're going to want to flag them so to ensure searchability. And that's what I'm going to do. And hit Next. But once it's finished, you can continue to add a new layer or hit Next and create your map. From here, you're going to right-click and hit Edit Map. This is where you can edit styles and colors. Highlight the data attribute, or highlight the layer that you want to edit the style, and go to the graphical editor. From there, you can do a few things. If you have just a few data sets, you can edit by hand, or if you want to generate more complicated rules, go to the Style Wizard. I'm going to go to the Style Wizard. From here, you can select what kind of information you want to show on your map. I'm going to select herb name and mojo. Next, you can choose the label that you want to appear. I'm also going to choose herb name and mojo. And then I'm going to generate the rules. As you can see, each name has been assigned a color. This will help the users identify which plant goes with which color and point. Save it. And now if you wanted to adjust each one individually, you can do so by hand. Here's the color spin wheel. And you can change it, pick color. You can change the shape if you want to a cross, square, etc. From here, you can also add images. I'm going to add some pictures of plants that we took in Motocina. And it's essentially the same thing as before. Here we go. And upload. Afterwards, you might want to do something such as languages. This will definitely make your map searchable on the Elements interface. And from there, calculate the map bounds. Click on the View Map icon. From there, you can see the map you just created. This is the map that I created after adding a geotiff, which is elevation and satellite data overlaid on one another. Please see our other tutorials for information about that. I also added a shapefile, which is just to make the point stand out. It's this yellow shape here. And as you can see, here's the legend, which names all the plant names and their corresponding colors so you can easily find them. If you were to click on a point, right-click, and specify about this location, you can see all the information that's in the spreadsheet that was in the data uploader, related language, country code, etc. And here's the cool part. Remember, we uploaded an image. Here it is. So this becomes a really useful map. And voila, that's about it. Thank you.